Do you know what his name is? His name's Baby.
Baby?
Yeah, his name's Baby.
But he's a baby?
No, but that's his name.
But he's a baby.
Yeah, Baby. He is an Indian ringneck parrot.
What do those do?
They talk.
We have to teach it.
I know. Are we going to teach it? What are we going to teach it to say? Turn my internet on. So, when you're at school all day, I'm going to love on him, and he's going to be like mine.
I thought you said you were going to teach him.
I'll teach him. Yeah.
You had to teach him first how to do stuff.
I'm going to teach him to love me more. I'm joking.
How dare you?
So can you wait?
We're getting today.
No.
Tomorrow?
No. I don't. Oh, probably tomorrow. I don't know.
Maybe today too.
No, it'd have to be more like tomorrow.
Why?
Because. So, say, bye everybody. We're getting a parrot.
Bye, we're getting a parrot.